Hi boys and girls, we miss you guys so much. Today we're going to do a little activity to work on our letter sounds. But before we do that, what I would like you to do is find a comfortable spot where you can sit and focus. I would like you to be, if you're sitting in a chair, sit up nice and straight. If you're sitting on the floor, I would like you to sit crisscross applesauce with your hands in your lap. And before we do our cards, I would like us to take just a few moments to get ready to learn and listen. So we're going to roll our shoulders back and forward and do a few slow neck rolls. Other way. And then reach up really high and touch the clouds and stretch. And then we'll put our hands back in our lap and we're gonna take some big deep breaths and fill our tummies up like beach balls. We're gonna breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth just like we do at school. So in we go. And out. And in. And out. And one more really big one. Check that our hands are still in our lap and our listening ears are turned on, and we're gonna practice our letter sounds. So first up, we're going to say the name of the letter, then we're going to say the picture, and then we're going to say the letter sound. So I'm gonna show you how to do A, and then you're gonna follow along with me. So you would say A, apple, A. So let's try that again together. A, apple, A. Letter B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, O. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, Ah. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qua. R, rat, S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, S. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. So boys and girls, it is super important that when you come back to preschool or when you go off to kindergarten, that you not only know your letters, but you also know your letter sounds. So I would like you to use this video and practice your letter sounds every day with mom and dad. I will see you either tomorrow or Thursday for another quick fun video to do at home. Bye guys.